Dear students, today we will discuss about the Leishman staining. Leishman staining is useful for the diagnosis of malarial disease. For identification of malarial parasite, we use Leishman staining. Today topic is microscopic examination of the malarial parasite. Microscopic examination of the malarial parasite by Leishman staining. Leishman is the scientist name. Leishman is the scientist name. He introduced the staining technique. So it is called Leishman staining. And the malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. These Plasmodium species are four. The Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium ovale. These four species causes malaria. These four species causes malaria. The Plasmodium species are Plasmodium vivax, falciparum, malariae and ovale. And for this staining technique, we use two types of smears, thick smear and thin smear. Smear preparations are two types, thick smear and thin smear. For thick smear preparation, we take clean glass slide and collect the blood sample. Collect the blood sample and take 2 or 3 drops of blood on the slide and spread 1 centimeter diameter. Take drop of blood on the slide and spread about 1 centimeter diameter. That is the thick smear preparation. For thin smear preparation, take a clean glass slide and take a blood drop on the one side of the slide. Take a blood drop on one side of the slide and spread with another slide and spread with another slide, and this slide kept at 45 degrees angle. Another slide kept at 45 degrees angle and spread the blood drop and it appears as a tongue shape. After spreading, it appears as tongue shape and it is thin smear preparation. For thin smear preparation, take 2 clean glass slides and drop 1 drop of blood, take on one side of the slide and spread with another slide. This slide kept at 45 degrees angle and after spreading, it appears as tongue shape. It is the thin smear preparation. These two types of smear preparations are used for the staining procedure. And for thick smear preparation, after preparation of smear, it allows the drying. It allows for drying. After drying, the smear dipped in the field stain B. For thick smear staining, we use field stain. For thick smear staining, we use field stain. These field stains are two types, A and B. Field stains are two types, A and B. After preparation of thick smear, it allows for drying. After drying, this smear dipped in the field stain B for 5 to 6 seconds. And after completion of the time, wash the slide with water. Wash the slide with water. And next, dip the smear in field stain A for 5 to 10 seconds. Dip the slide in field stain A for 5 to 10 seconds. After completion of time, wash the slide with water. Next, air dry the slide. Air dry the slide and observe under the microscope. This is thick smear staining. Thick smear staining, we use field stain. We use field stain. These are two types, A and B. After completion of thick smear, it allows for drying. After drying, this slide dip in the stain B for 5 to 6 seconds and wash the slide with water. After washing, dip the smear in stain A for 5 to 10 seconds. After wash the slide with water. Air dry the slide with blotting paper, it totally dried. After drying, we can observe the slide under the microscope. This is thick smear staining. And the second one, the thin smear preparation. The thin smear preparation is like a tongue shape. The smear appears tongue shape. After smear preparation, it allows for drying. After drying, the smear, cover the smear with Leishman stain. Cover the smear with Leishman stain. 10 to 15 drops Leishman stain we used, and wait for 1 to 5 minutes. Cover the smear with Leishman stain and wait for 1 to 5 minutes. After that, add equal amount of buffer or double amount of the Leishman stain. Add buffer solution and wait for 5 minutes. After completion of time, wash the smear with water. Wash the smear with water and air dry the smear. After drying the smear, we can observe under the microscope for malarial parasitic stages. This is thin smear staining. Thin smear we use for the staining Leishman stain. Thin smear staining used Leishman stain. The smear area is covered with Leishman stain. The smear area totally covered with Leishman stain. 10 to 15 drops Leishman stain used. After adding Leishman stain, wait for 5 minutes. After, add buffer solution and wait for 5 minutes. After, it wash with water and air dry the smear. After drying the smear, observe under the microscope. This is the staining procedure. The smear preparation is two types: thick smear, thin smear. For thick smear, spread the blood drop about 1 centimeter. That is thick smear. For thin smear, the blood drop is spread with another slide. So the smear shape is tongue. And thick smear staining, we use field stain. For thin smear stain, we use Leishman stain. Leishman staining is the important staining method for malarial parasite. And for the Leishman stain preparation, we use Leishman powder 0.15 grams. 0.15 grams Leishman powder in 100 ml methanol. They mix in 100 ml methanol. Leishman powder mixed in methanol. This is the Leishman stain preparation. This is about Leishman stain preparation. These staining methods are very useful for identification of the malarial parasite. After observation, after smear preparation and staining, we observe the slide under the microscope. We identify different stages: the ring-like stage and the joint shape and the gametocytes, and observe gametocytes. The different shapes we can observe in RBC. After smear preparation, staining, finally we observe under the microscope the RBCs consist different stages of plasmodium, that is ring stage, joint stage and gametocytes. These stages we can observe in RBC under the microscope, that identifies the plasmodium. That identifies plasmodium. The today topic is Leishman staining. Leishman staining is useful for the diagnosis of malaria. For diagnosis of malaria. Malaria disease is caused by the Plasmodium species. The Plasmodium species include Plasmodium vivax, falciparum, malariae and ovale. The Leishman staining is the very important staining method for malarial diagnosis. For the Leishman stain preparation, the powder, Leishman powder dissolves in the 100 ml methanol. For the smear preparation, we can follow two methods: thick smear and thin smear. For thick smear, we take clean glass slide and add 1 or 2 drops of blood on the middle of the slide. It spreads about only 1 centimeter diameter. So it is thick. And thin smear, the blood drop is take on one side of the slide and it spreads by using another slide. This slide kept at 45 degrees angle, and the after smear preparation it appears like a tongue shape. And for thick smear staining we use field stain. For thick smear staining we use field stain A and B. After smear preparation it allow for drying. After drying, the slide dip in the field stain B and wash the slide with water. Again the slide dip in stain A and wash the slide with water. After washing, air dry the smear and observe under the microscope. This is thick smear staining. For thin smear staining, we use Leishman stain. For thin smear staining, we use Leishman stain. The smear area totally covered with the 10 to 15 drops of Leishman stain and wait for 5 minutes. After we add buffer solution and also wait for 5 minutes. After waiting, wash the smear with water. Wash the smear with water. Air dry the smear and observe under the microscope. We identify the different stages of plasmodium, ring stage, shy joint and gametocytes, and the red blood cells include different shapes. The red blood cells includes different shapes of plasmodium stages that indicates the infection. Infection is occur. The malarial parasites present in red blood cells. This is the diagnosis method of the malaria. The Leishman is the scientist name. This is about Leishman staining. And the malarial symptoms, the malarial disease symptoms are fever, anemia and the splenomegaly. Fever, anemia, splenomegaly. That means fever having the 3 stages. Cold stage, hot stage and sweating stage. In cold stage, the patient feels severe cold and with shivering. In hot stage, the patient feels high temperature. The body temperature rises. And in the sweating stage, the patient produces severe more sweat. That is the sweating stage. And anemia is also occur because this parasite, this plasmodium infects the red blood cells and causes destruction of RBC. The destruction of RBC causes anemia. Because of the blood loss is occur. Due to the destruction of blood cells, anemia is caused. And the splenomegaly means enlargement of the spleen. These symptoms we can observe in the malaria. And this diagnosis by Leishman staining. This is about the staining method of malarial parasite. Okay.